Hey guys, I'm here to show you how to clean your eyelashes after you've used them to remove the glue. These are Kiss eyelashes. They are premium human hair eyelashes. So basically these I've used already, like I said. So with lashes, you know that they are, let me come a little closer. So with lashes, you know that they're on a string, plastic string, and here in the corner you have to be very careful that when you go to remove the glue off the lashes that you don't slide the hair off, because these are hairs that are in a little knot, so you got to be very careful. So what I like to do is I like to hold the hairs, the lashes in my hands well, and then not pulling this way, pulling straight up. I like to pull straight up and remove the glue. Try never to pull towards the end because it will remove the hair and you will ruin your lashes. So this is what I'm doing. I'm holding it firmly in my two fingers, and with my right hand I'm sliding the glue off. As you can see, it's coming up nice and clean. The glue's coming off. Now with these lashes, I had taken them off in my bedroom one evening and accidentally they stuck onto my shirt, where they were all deformed and a hot mess. And I thought to myself, oh my God, I ruined them. But what I actually did do was take them into the bathroom, holding them with my tweezers under hot running water, and I was able to reshape them and bring them back to the original shape that they had. Now to get the curl on the lashes, what I did do was I took one of my brushes, makeup brushes in the bathroom, and I merely reshaped it. Let me see if I have something here where I could use so I could show you. I'll just use this pencil here. So after these were all yucky and hot mess, what I did was I put it on my pencil. Sorry, this color doesn't work. Let me see. Let me see if I use the back of a toothbrush that I have here. It's not the right size, but you'll get the idea. So what I did was I put my lashes on my makeup brush and I simply took my spoolie and I reshaped it, as you see right here. It dried really quick and the shape took really well. Then I wanted to curl them up a little bit more. So after they were completely shaped and reshaped, because they were really horrible mess, what I did was I came in and I did this and it curled them up nicely. Because when these get washed, they're pin straight, which I'll show you in a few. So I've taken off the glue successfully. Now they're ready to use again. I'll tell you, these have been used by me for over a month already, and they're still as good as the day I bought them. So I'll go get some warm water and I'll show you how funny they look when they're wet. Being that they're human hair, I was like, oh my goodness, am I ever gonna get these back? So I'll be right back and I'll show you. Okay guys, I'm back now. So I've gotten a little container of hot water. I'm gonna show you how to reshape your eyelashes. First of all, if you use mascara on your eyelashes, this is the way to get it off as well. I use my eyelashes because I don't like using mascara. Alright, so here you see they get completely flat. As opposed to having them curled up. Now this is the one I haven't cleaned yet, because I want to show you before and afters. So you could see the curl on this one, and this one is practically pin straight. So to reshape these, excuse me, what I like to do is I like to take the end of a brush, place them on it, and simply just reshape them on the end of the brush. You can see they're starting to curl. And to make them curl even more, I like to take them, put them in the palm of my hand, and just do this to it. It's like using an eyelash curler on them. And here you can see how much they actually curled up. And that was from being almost perfectly pin straight. Now with these, I will show you, you can soak these in hot water to get the glue off, but I didn't care for it too much. Everybody has their own opinions. I think taking it off the way I did originally is, for me, easier. Just letting it soak a little bit, the glue. Now this is tap hot water. I've heard people like to use microwave water. I don't see where it's necessary. This does the job just as good. Now let's see about taking these off. The things we girls go through, huh? Just to look cute. But like I said, for me, they're fun. Keeps me from having to put on mascara, which I'm not a fan of taking off. It's so messy, as you all know. And with fake lashes, all you gotta do is just pull them right off, and you're good. All right. So I think that's pretty much done. Right, let me clean up. And here they are again. Get any glue that's on there off. But again, they're nice and flat, as you could see. There's no curl to it. But we'll put it right back using the same method as we did before. Taking our brush and just shaping it over the brush. And again, excuse me, taking it in my hand and just reshaping them. Now these are ready to use again. They're clean, reshaped. Okay guys, so these are completely done like I said before. So now what I'll do is I'll put it back in its little cartridge. Oops, I think this one goes here. And this one goes here. And they're ready to go for my next application. And like I said before, I've used these quite a bit, over a month already. And I think I could get, using this technique, I think I can go even longer. There's no glue on here, so that's that. So guys, I hope that this has been helpful, informative, and you liked it, and you try it at home. How to clean them, how to reshape them, and how to get them ready to be used over and over again. All right guys, thank you. Share this with your friends. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe, share it with your friends, give it a thumbs up. Thank you.